Pressure is something everyone experiences. If it's good or bad, that's what I want to talk about to you today. So, pressure can happen in multiple ways. One of it is pressure from the outside, pressure from other people that they put on you. On the other end of the spectrum is pressure that you put on by yourself, pressure that you want to bring on yourself, and there is no harm in doing that. I see pressure as a privilege, and I think you should too, because pressure is what you need to achieve your goals. Because without pressure, there is no urgency for you to take action. And everybody knows that, or for me at least, that when in school, for example, the deadline is coming closer, or at work, the deadline is coming closer, you just get it done. This is pressure at its finest. And it helps you to focus. It helps you to do the actions. It helps you to exploit your energy potential that you're hiding in your reserves. So I think pressure is a privilege, no matter in what circumstance. And I think you should use it more to your advantage. Let's say that you're working a normal 9-to-5 job. You are getting pressure from your bosses, from your colleagues, from assignments, sure. But this is pressure to achieve other people's goals. Think about how you could use it to achieve your own goals. That's where I think pressure has its most valuable content. You can use pressure strategically to achieve your goals in your own time. For that, you have to know what kind of goals you're going after, for sure. And there is no easy way to define your goals, your dreams, but everybody has some, and I highly recommend to you to strive after them, to really go deep and dig into your mind. What do you actually want from this life? And then revert back to your daily actions. This is where pressure comes to play. Pressure doesn't come to play with your 10-year vision. Pressure comes to play in your daily and weekly schedule. Pressure can be applied in multiple ways. You can apply pressure on yourself by setting a deadline. Setting a deadline like in the next 2 hours I will have gotten done this many posts or this many recordings, or I will have gone to the gym, or I will have cleaned my home. No matter what it is, this is deadline pressure. There's also another kind of pressure that you can put on yourself. It's pressure by the carrot or stick method. Pressure that when you get it done, you either get punished if you didn't, or you get treated if you didn't, if you actually did it. Think about it like this. I, for example, have set my schedule every single week that I have to do a couple of posts that just are necessary. That is my baseline. If I don't hit it, I'm on my back foot. But if I do hit it, I can chill no matter what. And every extra piece of content I put out there is on top and doesn't need to be done. It can be spent on doing things I like to do more. But maybe it gives me the drive to produce even more content and get even closer to my goals. You can use this for yourself as well. Let's think about it like this. You can treat yourself how good or badly as you want. If you have an assignment to do to go towards your goals, you need to apply this differently than when another person tells you to, because they can fire you or have you assigned to lower level tasks and challenge you less, and your colleagues won't like you as much anymore. But when you're on yourself, by yourself, chasing your dream, there's nobody controlling you. You can just let it slide and nobody else will catch you but yourself, and you will know it in your mind. So pressure is a tool to make sure that you can be proud of yourself, that you can achieve your own goals and make your future self and past self proud. It's a tool and not a strategy. So use it wisely and use it daily. This is my recommendation. What you do with it, I can't control you. I can't put pressure on you. This is on your own. This is for yourself. This is for your dream life.